Hello everyone, my name is Claudia and I'm a traceability project manager at Crystalchain. Your client has taken up our solution to implement environmental labeling on their products. The purpose of this video is to provide you with context on this environmental labeling pilot, as well as assistance in using this technology. La loi AGEC is a French law aimed at reducing waste and promoting a circular economy. Enacted in February 2020, AGEC is part of France's broader efforts to address environmental challenges and transition towards more sustainable practices. In Article 13 of La loi AGEC, it specifies that customer information must be improved through labeling the environmental qualities and characteristics of products. In the textile industry, this information has been mandatorily accessible since January 2023 through a digital format, normally in the form of scanning a QR code. We appreciate any information you are able to provide us, and we would like to thank you for your cooperation.